The words of Agur. These are the solemn words of Agur, son of Jakeh. God is not with me. God is not with me, and I am helpless. I am more like an animal than a human being. I do not have the sense we humans should have. I have never learned any wisdom, and I know nothing at all about God. Have any ever mastered heavenly knowledge? Have any ever caught the wind in their hands, or whispered up water in a piece of cloth, or fixed the boundaries of the earth? Who are they, if you know? Who are their children? God keeps every promise He makes. He is like a shield for all who seek His protection. If you claim that He said something that He never said, He will reprimand you and show that you are a liar.